everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my YouTube channel Being Beautiful. So people, whenever I come up with a video, I always try to share with you guys the experiences of using different products, be it for my skin, be it for my hair. So today's video is really special because I will be talking about one such hair oil specifically which I have been using since lockdown, and I will tell you all how well it has done for me. So today we will be talking about Morphem Remedies Jamaican Black Castor Therapy Hair Oil. This is a gorgeous bottle which comes in the form of a pump. You can easily take out the oil with the help of the pump. It is a 120 ml bottle and it is priced at 499 rupees. The company claims that there is no mineral oil, it is paraben free, it is sulfate free, it is mineral oil free, it is fragrance free, and I'll read out the ingredients also for you guys. It has got organic virgin coconut oil, it has got black castor oil, it has got extra virgin olive oil, amla oil, virgin jojoba oil, vegam oil, and peppermint essential oil. So guys, I'll tell you that this particular product is really good in itself because it has all these essentials oil in it. So when you're using this particular oil, you do not have to use any other oils with it. So how did I came across with this oil is that I always wanted to use castor oil, and prior also I was using a castor oil in my hair routine, but I was like that point in time, I if you all remember, I had made a video on telogen effluvium, and I was like, I used to really get scared by washing during washing my hair, because if you apply a lot of castor oil, then you have to put in little extra efforts to wash that extra oil off. So I wanted a little better substitute so that I do not have to waste so much of time rigorously removing that castor oil. Although I was using castor oil along with a lot of carrier oil, so I came across this beautiful product, and the reviews were pretty great. I will share this link of this particular product that I bought from Nykaa. Alright, so this was a substitute for castor oil, and like how the viscosity of castor oil is, it is little thick in its consistency, but this wherein it is not too runny, it is not too sticky, it is like perfect. And if I can show you all the consistency, I've pretty much finished using this bottle. If you all can see, very little amount of hair oil is left. I'll just show you the consistency. Now since it's over, I doubt it will come out from the pump. You all can see the consistency. It is not that sticky. It smells wonderful. So it has basically got that peppermint smell, like as I told you all in the ingredients as well, that it has peppermint essential oil. So the moment you put this, the moment you apply this hair oil, it gives you a completely it gives your scalp this cool feeling, as it has peppermint oil in it. And it smells, so fragrance, if I speak about fragrance factor, then it has got peppermint, so it will have that peppermint smell. Okay, it's not too strong and it's not too light, it's moderate, and you can definitely bear with it. It's good for this oil specifically. It is really worked well for me for my hair fall issues as well, and it has kept my hair it has tamed my hair from being frizzy. Every time I wash my hair becomes too frizzy, and the more the humidity, the more my hair becomes frizzy. So it has completely tamed that issue as well. Also, this hair oil gives a good luster and a nice shine to your hair. Now if you all can see, my hair, if you all can see my hair, I have been using this oil from quite some time, and it has been really wonderful. Also, people who have this issue of dry scalp or itchy scalp, my mom tried this. I also tried this product on her, and she had an issue of itchy scalp and dry scalp as well. So it tamed down that problem as well. So over and all, this product is really good. it's really nice, it really works, and since then I am a fan of this particular product. Also, don't forget that I have been using a lot of things in my hair care regime. If you see, if you're new to my channel, I've last like few months ago I've made a video on the hair mask as well. So all these things I put up in my hair care regime, which helps me curb my hair loss issue. Also, I really love this product, and I have like finished. This bottle is almost over, very little is left, as you all can see. So I have ordered another variant from the same company. It is a Bringaraj onion seed black hair oil, onion seed hair oil, sorry. It is from the same company, and I have just bought this bottle. If you all can see, I have just used it for like 2-3 times, not more than that. I'll just use it and I'll let you guys know how well it has worked for me. All right, if it is really that good, because I was satisfied with this particular oil, so I wanted to order from the same company and see, because the reviews of this oil were also that good. So people, like I always tell you, and again, sorry, this is not a sponsored video. Each and every time whenever I make a video, I try to share my personal experiences with you guys. Whichever things that have worked for me, I try to make quality of videos and show which things have genuinely worked for me in my hair growth journey. Okay, so I will be sharing the links in the description box. Till then, bye bye. I hope to see you all in the next video.